Today's circuit is a little bit of a mix. I'm gonna start with some core, with some shoulders, and a fun glute finisher at the end. Today's outfit is the Kessler Outfit in all white. Has the beautiful color straps in the back. Okay, so you're gonna bring it down in a plank position, arms shoulder width apart, legs shoulder width apart. Your right knee is gonna go to your left shoulder. It's a knee drive here. Then bring it back. You're gonna alternate left knee to right shoulder and bring it down. There you go. Breathe. Down. Very simple. Take your time. Alternating knee drives to opposite shoulder. 10 to 15 times. Okay? That's it. So the second move is a little bit of a combo move. You're going to be doing knee drives from the plank and then coming down to up downs. So you're going to bring it down in a plank again. Starting with your left side, you're going to just drive your knee up. Turn to the side, right knee alternating. And when you're done, an up down, you basically just bring it down, core tight, and bring it up. Alternating, alternating, up, down, up. You're going to do that 10 times. Alternating, alternating, knee drive, bring it up, right? Keep it going. Down, bring it up, okay? Knee drive, plank, and push up, okay? The last move is Superman's. Okay, so we're gonna bring it down to the floor. Arms are gonna be shoulder width apart. Feet are gonna be shoulder width apart. And you're just bringing your opposite arm and opposite leg up at the same time, alternating, squeezing your glutes and your shoulders and bringing it down. Up, down, up. You're gonna do each side 10 times, keeping your head in line with your spine. For more advanced, you can bring it up at the same time and hold it, bring it down, hold it, and bring it down. For beginners, stick with the alternating. Okay, don't forget to hold it. I really like this one. Okay, that's it. Take care, everybody.